Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use some function in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my data in my Microsoft Excel, and for example, I'm going to use the sum function to look for the total score of the students. I'm going to place it right here, and if we want to use the sum function, we have to type in equal and then type in sum like this. Then you have to add parentheses. Okay, then you can select the range you want to add. Okay, and type in parentheses again, then you can click on enter. Okay, and this is the total score of the students, all the students. That's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can use the sum function in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!